Yung first experience ko talaga with MEC was last year. First time ko kasi mag-work abroad. And then, pagdating ko dito, of course, hinanap ko agad yung SFC kasi I was an SFC member na last year pa. So, nung nabigyan ako ng chance to be able to go to MEC, I was really excited. Of course, kasi first time, and then first time ko mag-MEC, first time ko makasama yung household ko, first time ko pumunta ng Dubai, as in I have a lot of things to expect dun sa place na yun, of course, the program. It was really memorable for me kasi everything went into place. Like for example, sa work, pinayagan ako, nabigyan ako ng exit permit, lahat na, nabigyan pa ako ng even QMAS, as in wala ka talaga, as in everything was really arranged for me by the Lord. Nabigyan akong visa. It was really exciting and memorable. You know, when nandun na kami sa Dubai, when the people welcomed us, sobrang warm, as if kakilala mo na sila ever since. Yung mga titos and titas na nag-alaga sa amin, as in pinakain nila kami, as in nilalagaan nila kami, to make sure that we have all the energy and rest for the big event. For the event itself, sobrang nakakakilabot kasi pagdating mo doon, ang laki-laki ng stage, ang ganda-ganda. And then makita mo lahat na nag-perform, lahat na kumanta, kita mo talaga yung effort nila, yung costumes and everything. Yung mga nag-talk, as in sobrang until now, as in talagang nasa puso ko pa din, as in not only with me, pero sa lahat din na nag-attend, yung worship, ibang level, as in ang dami mo na-meet, as in up until now, we keep in touch in, of course, FB. Tapos, I'm really looking forward to see them here in Qatar, and it's really exciting na at this time, tayo naman yung may chance, kami naman yung SFC Qatar naman yung magkakaroon ng opportunity to be able to give back yung blessings. So, yun yung mga memorable stuff. Actually, ang dami pa, but yun so far, yun talagang tumatak sa akin. We would like to invite you brothers and sisters for the coming MEC here in Qatar. We would like to welcome you here. We would like to meet everyone here. We're so excited to be with you guys on this coming event. This is the Lord's plan, and really hope to see you here.